Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use anchors in Wix. Anchors are incredibly useful navigation tools that allow your visitors to jump directly to specific sections of your web page with just one click, creating a much smoother browsing experience. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website to access your site settings. Now, you'll see a preview of the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to work on. It's always good to double-check you're editing the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites through your Wix account. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll find it on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the full website editor where you can make all your design and layout changes. Click on it to proceed. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the real magic happens. Start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu. It's one of the most important tools in the Wix editor as it gives you access to all the components you can add to your site. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear showing you various categories of elements you can insert. From the Add Elements menu, scroll through until you locate the Menu and Anchor section. This section is specifically designed for in-page navigation features. Under the In-Page Navigation category, select Anchor. Once selected, drag the anchor element to your desired location on the page. You might need to wait a moment while the element is placed and the editor updates. Place it strategically at the beginning of the section you want visitors to jump to. Now, to fully utilize this anchor and make it functional, you need to connect it to a clickable element. The most common way to do this is by adding a new button to your page. Once you've added the button, click on it to access its settings. Then click on the button link option. From the link settings, select Section or Anchor. This tells Wix that clicking this button should navigate to a specific part of the page rather than an external URL. Now, under the Where on the Page drop-down, select your anchor name from the list of available anchors. And that's it, you've successfully set up a working anchor that will allow visitors to navigate directly to specific sections of your page with ease. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.